Okay. So with this again. Okay. Here we go.
Okay.
Hi.
So we're cooking, and that's not good, but we're cooking, and so we're cooking corn, and we need fatback grease. So I put fatback in a plastic bowl, and we open the microwave. It doesn't smell right, but let's see what happens. That's how it went.
Oh my god. What happened? It's definitely burnt. Look, I told her she burned it. Oh my god.
I didn't burn it. I didn't burn it. I didn't burn it.
Man, what are those? What are those?
I don't know. I didn't burn it though.
What are those?
I didn't burn it though. I didn't burn it.
Oh well. In other news, guess what's not going to be burnt? And that's silver queen corn. Tune in to our next episode.